Hello mga ka-basic. So for today's video, let us have dividing polynomials using synthetic division. So paano daw ba tayo nagdi-divide ng polynomials gamit yung process ng synthetic division. So like for example, x cubed minus 3x squared minus 33x plus 35. Okay? So unang gagawin natin is kunin natin yung lahat ng numerical coefficient and also the constant term. Okay? So dito, the numerical coefficient is 1. Dito, we have negative 3. Tandaan ha, lagi natin itong kukuhanin. Yung minus sign, let us consider that as negative. Okay? So negative 3. Then dito, we have negative 33. Then last one, we have positive 35 over. So dito, yung denominator mo is x plus 5. So yung 5 kukunin natin. So pag positive siya, gagawin nating negative and vice versa. Then dito plus yan. Then the first thing na gagawin is to bring down 1. Then 1 times negative 5, multiply yon is negative 5. Then plus negative 3 plus negative 5 is negative 8. Then negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. Then negative 33 plus 40 is positive 7. Then negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. Then we have 35 plus negative 35 is 0. So here, your final answer is, so 1 to. Then kunin natin yung x doon. So x, so meron dapat siya 1x, kaya lang hindi na natin inilalagay yung 1. Automatic yon. Then subtract natin yung exponent dito by 1, lagi, no? So 3 minus 1 is 2, so meron ka na lang x squared. Then kunin natin yung negative 8, so minus 8. Then proceed tayo doon, kopyahin natin yung x doon. Then, minus 1 natin yung exponent. So, we have 2 minus 1 is 1. So, therefore, 8x na lang siya. Then, plus 7. Then, kung mapapansin ninyo dito, may x pa rin siya. So, ang exponent niya is 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. And any single variable or any number whose exponent is 0, it is always equal to 1. Then, 1 times 7, so 7 lang siya. So, yung remainder mo 0 as is na yon. No? So therefore, the final answer is x squared minus 8x plus 7. When you divide x cubed minus 3x squared minus 33x plus 35 divided by x plus 5, the answer is x squared minus 8x plus 7. So that's all mga ka-basic. Bye! See you again sa ating next video.